ever since the reforming and opening up in 1978. China has sustained rapid economic growth. It was at that time stainless steel was introduced into China. In the developing progress of science and technology, new varieties of stainless steel grades are emerging. With its excellent anti-corrosion, cost-effective, environment-friendly and reusable features, stainless steel has been recognized by customers all over the world, and it becomes indispensable material in all aspects of human production and social life. Accompanying with this, the industry of Chinese steel manufacturing has sprung up. Following up of the stainless steel industry developing trend, in 1986, entrepreneur Mr. Seng Yangrang had an accurate perspective of the industrial value of processing and manufacturing stainless steel, sharply forecasted the future market prospect of the stainless steel material. Hence, he established Chaoyang Stainless Steel Casting Factory, located in the Yangtze River Delta city, Jiaxing, and started the stainless steel casting processing and manufacturing business. Subsequently, he established Jiaxing Huawei Paper Industry Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited in 1995. Engaging in manufacturing stainless steel paper making equipment, in 2004, the company officially changed its name into Zhejiang Dewei Stainless Steel Pipe Industry Company Limited after stock reform, which specialized in the production of stainless steel welded pipes, with a registered capital of $14.3 million and a total investment of $78.6 million. Zhejiang Dewei Stainless Steel Pipe Industry Company Limited covers an area of 100,000 square meters and currently has the capacity to produce 50,000 tons a year. As a national high-tech enterprise, Dewei becomes one of the top 5 sophisticated manufacturers of stainless steel pipe enterprises in China. Dewei has now grown up, consisting of 4 enterprises. Upon 30-year development, Dewei, fully aware that quality is the lifeline of companies, hence it sticks to the principle quality above all, through active practice and engagement of quality management system certification. Dewei has achieved manufacture license of special equipment, ISO 9001 Quality Management Systems, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, 18001 Occupational Safety and Health Management System, products related to health and safety of drinking water health permit approval, API 5LC, PED, asthma, LR, ABS, DMV, CCS, and CNNC certification. The company manufactures stainless steel pipes according to Chinese, American, German, Japanese, ISO, European, and Russian standards for domestic and overseas customers. All the raw material comes from qualified suppliers such as Tisco, Bao Steel, Pasco, Thyssenkrupp, Outokumpu, Nippon. The main steel grades available in the company include austenitic stainless steel, nickel-based alloy, duplex high-temp materials, titanium alloys, and copper-nickel alloy. The development of various new types of application fields requires innovative producing technology. Dewei always upholds the spirit of craftsmanship, unswervingly persists in improving its technical level by introducing German Sepkator Direct Reading Spectrometer, Niton Portable Spectrometer, X-ray Real-Time Image System, eddy current testing system, hydrostatic testing system, and other testing devices, in order to fulfill customers' demand for higher standards of service and product. In 2016, the introduction of JCO large diameter thick-walled industrial welded pipe production line and diameter 630 large diameter automatic continuous production line with a total cost of nearly $11 million. This would make Dewei China's third enterprise to introduce the large diameter automatic continuous production line. Since Dewei's establishment of the Technology R&D Center in 2013, the R&D investment represents approximately 4.09% of annual sales each year. Through independent R&D, the center has obtained laser cutting device for stainless steel pipe production, gantry welding equipment and 8 other national patents. Additionally, to promote the industry academia research integration, Dewei collaborated with Baosteel Research Institute. Studying on the subject of large diameter, thin-walled nickel-based alloys welded pipe, continuously optimizing the production process for stainless steel pipes. In 2016, Dewei involved in drafting the Chinese standard for stainless steel clutch pipe for fluid transport and becomes one of the drafting units of national standard. For 30 years, the founder, Mr. Shen Yanran, quietly contributes his wisdom of operation and management to Chinese national brand. By keeping the faith of credibility and integrity and valuing the spirit of a contract, Dewei's products have been widely used in construction, food, drinking, pharmaceutical, paper making, pollutant treatment, chemical, petroleum, electric power, shipbuilding, aviation, aerospace, nuclear power, and military. With its top quality and superior craftsmanship, the company has customers in a number of world's leading corporations, including China National Petroleum Corporation, Sinopec, China National Offshore Oil Corporation, Formosa Petrochemical, China Electron, BOE Technology Group, Sun Paper, Asia Pulp and Paper Company, and Air Liquide, which enable Dewei to drive aggressively to the world's upmarket. To shoulder social responsibilities with benevolence and to practice good causes with generosity are the special charisma of Dewei's employees. Medals were awarded to Dewei for its stronger sense of environmental responsibility. In order to help the reconstruction of quake-stricken areas in Sichuan, employees made donations for the Project Hope for 9 consecutive years, which amount of up to $1.3 million cumulatively. With 30 years of entrepreneurship, we sharpen quality with both hands. We build reputation with standards. In the future, we will uphold a fighting spirit and a social commitment mentality and stay true to the original mission towards progress. Dewei, internationally renowned stainless steel piping systems manufacturer.